Hi everybody, and welcome back to the launch of 30 Noodles. This is the second week of the vlog. In a second, I'll read you all the questions. Everything that I say, any information that I give you, a question, an email address, or a link, they're all in here, rawmunchies.org/30Noodles launch. And we're going to start with a reminder that the webinar is on launch date. That's 18th of May at 12 Eastern Time. So save the date. And if you want to be on the VIP list, send a question to 30webinar@gmail.com. So looking forward to seeing you there. The questions for this week's vlog are, what if I don't have time to cook? What about the protein on a raw vegan diet? So we're going to talk a bit about spinach. How do I eat out when I'm raw vegan? How do I impress my friends on a raw vegan diet? 2 dinner ideas for entertaining friends. Why is raw vegan so healthy? My personal story. So obviously just a little bit, because I am going to talk about my personal story on the webinar. And how do you work on self-image and confidence? So it's going to be exciting, and here are some of the freebies. Anybody who buys the book on launch date and sends the receipt or the order number to 30noodles@gmail.com is going to get a free copy of 12 vegetarian sauces. It's a raw vegan book from Rawmunchies. It's available on Amazon. You're getting it for free. Printout organizer, daily meals and shopping list. So it's for you to organize your meals and your shopping list. It's a convenient fridge printout. It's quite nice and quite easy to use. And then the fridge list with the cute pictures. Revolutionize your kitchen. And 3 free recipes from the next book, which is 50 salads. And in addition, a free signed copy of the book is going to get to the best question on rawmunchies.org/burning questions. I want to know what you guys want to know about raw vegan, about recipes, and about my transformation. So absolutely send your questions here. And if you also want to go on the webinar VIP list, just send the question twice. So this is all very exciting, and it's going to be a question every single day leading to the launch. Again, everything that I've just said and everything you might want to know, it's all in here. So I'll see you there, and we're going to have a lot of fun.